Okay, now in this session, we will give one additional capability to our AI agent, that your AI agent not only send the email, but it can generate a response of it. Then it can draft it and even it can send it. So let's start. But before this, let's have a quick brief that what we have did till now. So this is the workflow that we have built in the last session. We have our trigger node, we have this AI agent, we have this OpenAI chat model, we have memory, and we have connected our AI agent with the Gmail tools. And now our AI agent is capable to read the emails and then it can create a draft for us. And we have tested it, right? So let's move forward. So this time we will add another tool. And surprisingly, it is again Gmail tool. So click on this plus icon. Now search for Gmail and then select this Gmail tool. Now credentials is already set. Next is tool description. So leave this default. Next is resources. So this time it will be message. And next is operation. Guess it? Yes, it's send. Now mention the recipient. So as I said that always give the permission that you are comfortable with. So for this testing phase, let's send the email to me. So I am the recipient. So ns tuple. But if this is in production, then you can use expression. And even you can click on this and then LLM will decide this. Next is subject. So let's LLM decide this field for now. But in the production, I will prefer to use expression. Next is email type. So this will be plain text. So select text. Message. Again, let's LLM decide this. Now options. So click on add option because we are limiting this to send to me only. So send replies to me only. So that is my email ID. And that's it. Now click outside and now go back to our canvas. And now click on this small tidy up button and it is good. So let's move this around so we can see it clearly. All right. Okay, so now let's restart the chat. So this is our OpenAI model. This is simple memory. This is the tool that is reading the email from our Gmail account. And this is the tool that is creating a draft. And this is the tool that is sending the email. All right. Okay, so now let's go to this chat window and start the conversation. Okay, so let me ask to summarize the email first. So ask the question that please summarize the email that I received recently. Enter. Okay, so we give it a run. Workflow is started. Gmail tool is being used and it is collecting the email. And here we go. We got the response. So this is the response that is generated. That is the most recent email you received is from Naresh with the subject excited to integrate Gmail with n8n. In this email, Naresh shares that they found an amazing AI course on workflow automation and have successfully built an AI agent that can read their Gmail messages. They express the excitement about implementing this AI agent further. All right, now let's ask the agent to generate the response of it. So write, please draft an email showing the excitement of this news. Use the signature Naresh Double. Enter. All right, so process is started. Our AI agent is now create a draft for us. And done. It created a draft. And now let me quickly show it to you. So let's go to this Gmail account. Let's close this. So this is the draft that is generated by this workflow. So you can see that the timing is 11:49. So this is just received. So you can read the draft here. That is, hi Naresh, that's absolutely fantastic news. I'm really thrilled to hear about the progress with the AI course and the successful creation of your AI agent that can read Gmail messages. All right, so let's close this. And now go back to our workflow. All right, now I will ask the agent to send the email. Okay, so let me tell this that I am okay with the draft content. Just send the email now. Enter. Okay, so the process is started and our AI agent is now communicating with the third tool and it is sending the email. All right, done. It's sent. And now let me show you the email. So again, we will go to our Gmail account and then we will select this inbox. All right, so let's refresh this window. Okay, so surprisingly, that is not received. So let me quickly go back to n8n and let me check if I mentioned the right email ID or not. Okay, so the email ID looks good. Let's open the Gmail account once more time. Now click on refresh. All right, let's try one more time. Please resend this email again. All right, it is saying done. So now let's go back to the email. All right, now refresh it. Okay, so I didn't receive the email. So let's go back to the n8n and let's see if we have mentioned the right email or not. Probably the problem is that we sent it to some different email. So double click on this Gmail tool and look for the replies to. All right, so we have used the wrong email ID here. So let me correct it. demo@gmail.com. demo@gmail.com. Now click outside and go back. And now let's resend the email. So please resend this email again. Enter. Okay, so the workflow is executed successfully. Now let's go back to the email and let's see if we have received the email or not. All right, finally it's received now. So click on this and you see that hi Naresh, that's absolutely fantastic news that I'm really thrilled to hear about your progress with the AI course and the successful creations of your AI agent that can read Gmail messages. That is such an excitement development and shows great promise for what you can achieve with workflow automation. And if I open the another Gmail account, so you will see that this message is appeared here. So that email was sent actually, but that was sent to a different email ID because of the misconfiguration. All right, so that was a quick one and little painful at the end as well. But let me brief that what we did. So if we go back to the n8n account, then we have created this workflow. We have our trigger node. We have this AI agent. We have this OpenAI chat model. We have memory element. And then we have used three tools and all are Gmail tools. One is reading the emails. Second is creating a draft. And third one is sending the email. Now note that for a better control, we should always split the permission into multiple workflows. But this is just for demo. And the purpose is to show you that how this tool works. All right, so this is our first integration day. We have integrated our AI agents with Google Sheet. And then we have integrated it with the Gmail tool and used it in a couple of different ways. And now you can experiment around it. Don't just follow me. The whole purpose is to build the concept and use those concepts to build something that fits in your requirement. So build the workflow, experiment the tools, look at the nodes, how they are called, how they are working, explore the options, explore the filters, explore the executions, explore the inputs and outputs, and build the understanding. And that is the best way to learn. So this is our day 3 of this journey. And with this, we have reached to 20% of this AI builder journey. Now next session will be our day 4 and it will be another integration day. And we will be talking about the tables and about the JSON. We will understand this and we will be familiar with this. So a lot of stuff coming. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.